Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the CT Toys Daredevil na action figure. Alright, first step is to use Boston number 191 flat clear that will act as our primer. So magkakaroon niya ng matte finish and then meron na tayong adhesive surface so that our paints will stick to the action figure. So first step is to use warm red, and I think that's warm red or blood red and black. Let's mix that to make a darker shade of gray. So parang maroon na yung shade niya. Alright, next step naman is to use a darker shade of paint. So baliktad yung ginagawa natin dito. Inuna natin yung darker shade of red. Tapos ngayon naman black paint. Kasi usually ginagawa ko dyan, darker shade of paint, tapos lighter shade, and then yung lightest. So dito baliktad. Since this is a red dominant na action figure, yun yung technique to gagawin natin. So darker shade of red, black, and some gray paint para magkaroon tayo ng gray, black, and maroon na paint camouflage version. Alright, so ito na yung status ng action figure after the camouflage pattern na mag-add naman tayo ng gray paint. Shoutout to Hero Paints sa mga Shoutout to Hero Paints. Super, super cool na mga paints nila. Super vibrant. Meron silang mga metallic paints, fluorescent paints, which are very cool. Nag-glow sila under blue light. Tapos, meron din silang mga 100 ml, meron din silang 30 ml, meron din silang mga sets. If you want to know more about Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee or Lazada. Type in sa search bar, Hero Paints. So yun mga ma'am sir, ang last na step na ginawa ko, nag-apply lang ako ng top coat using Boston number 191 flat clear. So kung ano yung primer na ginamit ko, yun din yung top coat na ginamit natin dito sa action figure to prevent minor paint rubs and minor paint scratches. Okay, so disclaimer lang mga ma'am sir, since this is a custom repainted na action figure, be very careful sa pag-rotate ng mga joints. Okay? So yun, mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!